Make sentences using the word pen. This is my pen. I have a red pen. The pen is on the table. My pen is blue. She writes with a pen. The pen is in my bag. I love my new pen. He lost his pen. Can I borrow your pen? I draw with my pen. I use my pen to write my name. The teacher gave me a black pen. My pen has blue ink inside. I found a pen under my chair. Please give me a pen to write. My friend gifted me a new pen. I put my pen inside my pencil box. My pen is used for writing on paper. The pen rolled off my desk. I bought a pink pen from the shop. My favorite pen has a golden clip. This pen writes very smoothly. I need a pen to complete my homework. The cap of my pen is missing. I saw a beautiful pen in the store. He always carries a black pen in his pocket. My teacher wrote on the board with a marker pen. I prefer using a gel pen over a ballpoint pen. The ink of my pen dried up. I bought a set of colorful pens for school. I am excited when my father bought me a fountain pen. The blue pen works better than the black one. My father collects different types of pens. I forgot my pen at home and had to borrow one. A pen is small but very useful for students. The teacher asked me to write neatly with my pen. The nib of my fountain pen broke yesterday. My best friend gifted me a beautiful silver pen. I lost my pen during the lunch break. My mother writes important notes with a red pen. A pen is mightier than a sword, as words can be very powerful. My grandfather gave me an antique pen as a gift. The ink in my pen ran out while I was writing my exam. I love writing poems with my special black ink pen. The teacher checked our notebooks with a green pen. The scientist used a pen to write down his observations. I always keep an extra pen in my bag in case I lose one. The famous author signed my book with a golden pen. I learned cursive writing using a smooth gel pen. My dream is to write a book using my lucky pen.